There's nothing to do, just sitting down on the couch.
Well, let's make these clouds gray so we can have rain.
That's good idea, Squidgy. Now, come on, Squidgy. Excuse me, CC Caterpillar. We want to make these clouds gray so we can make rain.
You want to make these clouds rain and gray clouds?
Where did I put up this chalkboard?
In the closet.
That's gonna leave a mark.
There's my blackboard.
Today, I'm gonna draw this. A box. See the box? It is. What's inside? What's inside the box? Tell me, what's inside the box really look like? Dry ice. Dry ice. Or more look like than regular ice that looks cold. You drop dry ice into these clouds, they can make it rain. Make those gray clouds. And rain, 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 rain. And that's how you put dry ice into the clouds to make it rain.